I'm Kimberly Jolly from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here to unbox the Sew Sampler December 2020 box. So come join me. Let's take a peek inside and what's included. The first item in your box is the brand new Flea Market collection by Lori Holt. Your 10-inch stacker includes 21 squares and the fabric is just beautiful. The next item you will receive is your Stay Sharp magnetic needle case. It's a magnetized case where you can put your needles in and they will not fall out, and it's great for when you're traveling and trying to do binding, or great for your English paper piecing needles. So keep them in there and stay sharp, and they go so good with the 2 Aurifil spools that you also receive in the box. The next item is the 6-inch Sparkle Star foundation paper by Lori Holt, and it's so beautiful. It's going to make a quilt that looks just like this, which is your pattern included in your box that goes right with Lori's fabric. And we're moving and grooving. You're going to love this block. We had so much fun curating this box this month with Lori Holt. We hope you love it as much as we do, and join us next month for the January Sew Sampler unboxing. See you then.